There's so many things in here that I don't even know what to pick. This is the perfect lady to go in this page. This one with the tulip, this clock, is perfect for this page. I have this to make this. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and I can't tell you how joyful I am of being like going through all the pages of my December Ember journal. I am enjoying the process too much, and yeah, every time you go through it, you're gonna be remembering the moment you did it, the moment you made it, and it's really cool. Let me just put everything I have together. Remember, I'm gonna link this product down below, and this is how it looks like. That is the label. Everything comes inside here, so it has a little pocket. Actually, you can even use the packaging for a journal because it's a tuck spot. I decorated these pages here with some things from December, like from Christmas. So this was from a pack of plates we used during our dinner, and it was a 16 dessert paper plates, really beautiful, and I grabbed that sticker. Then I cut some trees because magazines were full of beautiful trees. Look, this was at the beach. This was a really fancy one, and this was from a card. So I have a little tribute for Christmas in here, because actually December Ember is anything about Christmas themes. So I wanted to have some Christmas stuff in here. And also this is the advent calendar. I cut it from a magazine to 1 to 12 and then 13 to 24. This was from a newspaper. This little dog has like a wonderful, and then a Christmas hat. I love it too. I think it's really beautiful. And it ends here with a poinsettia and also a cute dog here in front of a house. Alright, so this Christmas section is over. Then I have this tulip, and I can probably place something in here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. This is really cool, but it doesn't match with this. I think I'm gonna have this for the cover of this beautiful booklet. It's all coffee dye paper, and I made it during December Ember 2022, actually December 18, 2022. I have the date here, and I wanted to have like open, because for that ephemera we need to create our own stencil. So I did these bubbles around here. I like it. Alright, we can always have something inside too, but look at the gold in here. I love it. Look at the effect. It's really cool. Okay, a lot to do. Here I can have something, but I don't like those tickets for this page. What about if we just glue this down here? So I don't want to have like too much yellow around this page. It's like too colored, too hot, the color. And as everything else is coffee dyed, I just want to have this to make this less yellow, and I want to have it just like this, like coming out from there, coming out from here, and you see the difference. You see how different it looks like now? So perfect. Now here, this was all about black and white, and I have a lot of pictures. I created this system so you can store a lot of pictures in one page in one envelope. So the lady that was a moment ago around here is the perfect lady to go in this page. But we need to give her a background, so because it's black and white. Christmas tree, and then I make this like a tuck spot. So, and that is for good luck, so I can just put it there. What about if I have something to give her a background? So yeah, this places her here, and use the rose for a different project. do the final details with you in here, so I can say my journal is done, it's over. So let's have this. All right, this is going to stay here. And what else? This is kind of nice. I love that. I love all the eyes. I don't think it needs anything. Here, oh, I placed this beautiful wet t-shirt girl. I love it with the eyes. So here we have the wall, and then this is kind of a brown and then chocolate. I have an elephant here, and I would like to have something to cover this white. What about using this? What I will do is I'm gonna get rid of the white in here, and this is actually a sticker, a long sticker, so I can use it to cover parts of this. Okay, I'll realize that I need some more glue in here, and that's it. So this is another page. I like it very much. I don't think I need anything around here. This is very colorful, and I glued that crassula succulent here. It's really cute. There, one of my favorite pages is this one. Okay, this is a cheesy situation with mice and everything. I don't think I need to do anything around here. Alright, this is another one of my really favorite pages. I call this one Free the Chains. I love it. I don't think that this needs anything else. I can go with one of these round motifs, but that is enough round already. So this is good. And this was one of the first ephemeras I made for this year, the doors. So let's just give it like so. Leave it like so. I like it. It's so perfect. And this page is about animals and the mysterious shop. I don't think this needs anything else either. This is complete also. And what about giving this some details? Let's see what else can we use. Let's go ahead and look in here. Oh, I have a ticket here. Look at this ticket with an umbrella. Isn't it cute? Oh, but I don't think I need anything else in here. Then I have a geisha with some like a spa or something. I glue a bunch of little things in here. I don't think we need anything else. I can probably go with this butterfly close to here, getting rid of the borders. And then you'll see that you'll be find little spots or places in which you want to do something else. I remember doing this beautiful envelope. So everything is on the playlist down below. You can go ahead and watch every one of the episodes to get ideas. Now in this page I have this envelope. It's from somebody, gave it to me. She's a teacher, Chinese teacher, and I love it. It's really big, long, and I glued this pink chair. I love it. I think it goes really well in here. And then under it I had this beautiful picture from a magazine, which I love, and I place it here. And I think that this clock is perfect for this page. It is perfect. It has the same tones and color scheme of this. This I placed it here is from a book. My daughter gave it to me, and it's like an old vintage beauty salon. Here I have a quote from angels, and angels are often thought of as agents of change, loving concern, encouragement, humor, intelligence, and of course light. Agents of change. I love it. What about this background? This is a space for journaling, but I will give some to the dog. I will do this umbrella. I think this ticket is really cool. This one here, you see I placed lace. This was from a card. I think it's really beautiful, doesn't need anything else. So it can perfectly go in here. And let's add the umbrella. Oh, I really love it. Alright, so here I found this. This is actually a fairy, and that is a bed head. And I place it here because I love it. And I gave this lady here a touch of red with this amaranth plant. And I have this pin with a J. It has a crown. I think it's beautiful. It can be for joy, for example. And then this page is very important for me because it's in the middle of the two signatures. It's being shown to you because of the new way to do your signatures or to put them together. So, and I love the things I came out with on these two pages. This was amazing. This is made out of paperback handles, and this music sheet on an envelope is really cool. And I need something for this one. I have stamps, so let's add this stamp. It says Netherlands, and this is also sticker. These butterflies, I will glue them here. What about if we have that here? Okay, this is gonna be like so. Or I'm gonna cover the staple, and here it is. You see how cool? It's really nice. Love it. Let me just put everything I have together. Remember, I'm gonna link this product down below, and this is how it looks like. That is the label. Everything comes inside here. So it has a little pocket. Actually, you can even use the packaging for a journal because it's a tuck spot. It's really cute. So I'm gonna try placing everything inside. Of course, it's not gonna be perfect like the way it came, but later I'm gonna just place everything where they belong. And look how much stuff it is. A lot of stuff here, there. This is a journal. If you want to see the details of this closure, just go ahead and click the link down below. I'm gonna link it so you can make a closure just like this one. Easy, fast, and very, very cheap. And also we use all of these amazing stickers in order to complete our journal. I feel blessed, I feel happy, and I feel very, very joyful to be able to do something with you guys. Thank you for all your comments. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. You can click this icon here or the button of subscription, or you can always click in my picture here in the end. I'm going to leave you another episode right here that you can go ahead and watch for more ideas and creations. So I see you soon, and I'm going to be waiting for you in my next episode. Bye friends. Remember to leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and of course leave me a comment. I see you. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye friends.